Hello everyone. So I was following CodeMonkey's Kitchen Chaos, or you can say cooking tutorial. When I was following the load scene portion, there I faced a problem. Let me show you the problem. Here I have my main scene, and when I play it's fine and it's looking quite well, I'd say, and the post-processing works. It's fine, right? Now if I go back to my main menu and when I play it works fine as well. So if I play, it will go on to the loading scene and then load our kitchen chaos scene, our main game scene. Have you noticed anything different? You can see that the post-processing is actually not working, and when I go to our global volume, it's actually as is. That worked when I played it standalone. Now what I found is that it's actually a really easy solution. Go to window and inside the rendering go to lighting, or you can just press Ctrl 9 as a shortcut, and you'll have your lighting properties and lighting settings. Don't touch anything, just go to backlights, and you can see that I do not have any lighting data asset. I think what actually happens is that when we launch the scene standalone, it just runs on our global volume data, but when we actually run the game and load the scene, we know that when you load the scene it actually removes all the game objects, and when we start a scene it actually reloads every component in it. So I think as we do not have any lighting data, that's why that happens. And what you can do is just click on generate lighting, don't touch anything, and you can see that we now have a lighting data and it's in the main menu. Also you actually have to generate the lighting data for all the scenes. So as you can see that for my kitchen chaos, my main scene, I do not have any light data, so I'll just do it for my main scene. That's done. And when we go to our main menu, it's fine, it's working fine, and when we play, and there you go, it actually works. And all you have to do is just bake your light for all the scenes if you face this problem, and I would suggest you do it anyway because maybe it might cause a problem when you build the game. Anyways, so I was following this tutorial and you can find it on YouTube. It's for beginner and intermediate, and I suggest if you are a beginner or even intermediate, I'd suggest you to follow the complete course. It's amazing, it's really beneficial for code structure and how to manage your smaller things that will lead up to your bigger project. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Always remember, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.